Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan mentagasin Shillong. Kershan ke SIDBI bat ke Center of Learning Knowledge and Service ya ke Shillong umkon ban ringap. Bat kermen ke HBDRF ban wan ke sukkesan hagi Khubor Meghalaya Assam lingba ki Regional Committee. Bat mentangin pasya ki Khubor bakambanya. The Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI Meghalaya ringkat baka Center of Learning Knowledge and Service kila ay ka jingkershan ye kinong shong shnong jong ka umkon Ribhoy District da ki ram banyeng halaki jong ki kejat da ka ba pencelur ya ka kamringap Kashnong umkon ka don la ka lao adong ka bahe umduna kat riu hektar bat ikani ka klau kashnong ka lari la sumar banne ki ding ki si ki plang ki kenbat na ka benta ki jingmentoy jong ki longdin ha ka juk kapor ban penne pensa ya ka may mariang Knang ba kani ka klau kan kersoy jingmentoy ya ki pat nyong shong shnong ke SIDBI ka lebay pisa ban kershan baiseng kum karam Kalau pencelur ban shim ya ke kabu da ke beringap kini ke klau, bat haki saudong saukun jongka, klem da tamti ya ki ding kisi. Haka juk kapor, ke Center of Learning, Knowledge and Service, kalau shimti ban ai ke jinghikai ya ki brew gini ke shnong, haki kam ringap. Kinong ringap kini ke shnong kila thau ya ke wei ke kenhun, balatip kerteng kum ke umkon Heritage Society UHS, bat kila zdang ban penmi yau, ya ka ngap ke basnyam na kini ke shnong, ke ba kila register bat ke Food Safety and Security Authority of India FSSAI, ke ba kila thep ha ke jingtiang ki ba itena, bat ki ba yadedur ba kini ke juk be rong mentak. Ya kini ke ngap pasnyam la pelat yo ha ke jingyalang ke belalong ha ke arterik Naitung ha office ke SIDBI lain kra Shillong ha ke ba ladon lang Assistant General Manager ke SIDBI SP Gangte Chairman but Founder ke Center of Learning Knowledge and Service COLKS ba Vijay Bersat bat kinong ringap na umkot
Promotion and financing of micro, small and medium enterprises. Now, the project that we did in Umkon is part of our promotion and development initiative, not the financing part. So under our promotion and development initiative, we focus on entrepreneurship and livelihood programs. So these Umkon training programs, where our objective was to set up 100 micro honey processing units or entrepreneurs. Not only that, to set up a mini common facility center for processing the honey. So we had implemented this program through COLKS skills. COLKS skills had given training to 100 farmers of Umkon village on scientific this beekeeping and harvesting, then for value-added products. Processing. And because of the initiative of COLKS skills, Umkon village has been able to bring out a new honey brand, which is Umkon Biodiversity Heritage Honey, the first of its kind, the first honey extracted from a biodiversity site that is in Meghalaya. So it is very, very fortunate for us that we have taken up this initiative. And the Umkon team has been very helpful to us, the villages, the Snong and the peoples, they are very helpful to us. And this effort, we believe, will transform their traditional practice of rearing or beekeeping process to a scientific one. Value additions, not only that, by practicing eco-friendly, sustainable livelihood programs. This is our schemes. This is what we intend to bring an impact on the lives of our own people. Thank you.
Financial system, only beekeeping or?
No, sir. That is the part of our development and financial promotion and development programs. Promotion and development programs. Under financing, SIDBI is basically financing every sector of the MSME. MSME means manufacturing and service. Now recently with the government initiative, we have started financing trading also. any MSME, micro, small and medium enterprise, which is having UDM registration, which want to go for setting up of a new processing unit, manufacturing unit, like restaurant now these days, homestay, then fruit-based juice, mineral water, or you want to do food processing unit, or any handloom products, you want to do that. Setting up of that or expanding anything to do with micro, small and medium enterprise, SIDBI can finance. And we have taken up an initiative right now that will not only finance the term lending, we call it term loan. Not only term lending, so we're financing the working capital also now. So SIDBI has recently launched an initiative called DigiCase, where an entrepreneurs, for example, local entrepreneurs who is filing ITR, then who is having GST, then they don't have to come to the banks, any banks. You can just go to DigiCase website, apply any working capital they want, which is the initiative of SIDBI for financing the working capital requirement of the MSME. Apart from that, buying machineries loan we have. Even if you have transport, export related products, we can finance that. And service sectors, hotel industries, we can finance them. Anything that has to do with micro, small and medium enterprise, SIDBI is there to finance. And not only that, we are financing, not only directly, we are giving refinance to the banks. Every banks that you know of, any banks, commercial banks, we give loan to them to on lend to the MSMEs again. And recently, last year, we started lending to your government also, your state government, for promotion of and development of the MSME sectors. And very likely, we are going to have a tie-up with your MRB, so that we have launched finance minister has launched a new platform, on lending platform, co lending platform, where MRB would be channelizing their outreach for further penetration, but it will be through digital format. No more manual intervention. Every application will be processed through the digital format, sanctioned within a period of around 24 months. So these are the initiatives that we have taken.
One thing, this entrepreneur should be clear. What term finance means what? It's a loan or it's a subsidy or?
Okay. Term loan is a loan. It's not a grant. Subsidy subsidy is different. Grant is different. Okay. It's not a grant nor a subsidy.
So when you say
it's a loan.
Finance.
We finance means loan. Loan. It's a loan. Term loan is for buying capital assets. If you want to procure machineries, if you want to build factories, that is your capital asset.
Kanyothrap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HPTRF Hakalai Tarik Naitung kala ai ke memorandum hau Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma barau sembut Menteri Rangba usnyau bhalang dhar. Ha kabar kala kentu ye ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban batha iki regional committee ban batriang ye ki kendon leni terms of reference halor ki kam ki beyade bakajing penbet ye ki Khubor hapading ke Meghalaya bat asang. Yakini ke memorandum la ai do uba Chandami Sungo chairman but uba Thomas Basa upadya jongani ke kenhon. Uba Chandami ulapen pau ke jingkermen lingba ke jing terikam jong ke regional committee ki kam ki bela sateng ban penbet ye ki Khubor kin yat bet chaprang na ke benta ke suk kesan bat ke jing bet jing biang jong ki nong shong shnong habaro arliang ki Khubor jong kini ki artli ki Jylla. Ulapan pauru bagi regional committee ki don menta ha ke kenjang bayar rengkat reng ban ye penbet ye ki kam ki jam ki bayade bat upot usang hapadeng ke Meghalaya bat asang. Ulabenyau ya ke jingduna ke rukom terekam ki regional committee ha ke por jong ke Sarkar MDA1 ki bala i lendet ye ki pa haba ki keren halor ki pot ki sam klem day mer jingmot lang bat ki. Ula kentu ki regional committee bandalit pet dala ki jong ki khmat haman ki jaka badon ki jingi per jingmut knang banyo ki so ki babha na kini ki jingi penbet pot ha kini ki kenti. Ki pat ba ki basyong ha ki shnong Khubor ki don ke benta ke bakraw ban a jingmut knang ba ki jingi penbet kan long ke babet berhenti bat kan wanra ya ka suk kesan hasilenter upot Meghalaya bat asam ulong.
Batai baca demi apa di bagi jumpan tentu jumpi UCN. Tuan Menteri Keseni hadin bang liok jing tip mo bakal live tu di arah jarak peon riu. Negara yang jumpa korban of Meghalaya kalau penmi yang datang notification bak ladep constitute lani ladep thau ya kata regional committee na kapantaban penbek no yupo usam pening gini arteli Jylla Meghalaya Assam yakin riu teli jeka berang sateng tiba di penhap phase 2 tiga penengkong hi negaliang jungi kong forum new trade border dispute resolution forum engi penpau ke jing sngeungu ya ke sorkar namar ke jing simkhia jongka ban thau ya ni komiti ban khamtam haba ka don ke jing anut ke jing tram ke jing thmu na kapantaban penbek no inu usam apa yang kini Jylla kabalan nek mentah ada peu snem Henry hadin ba ngilayo ban puli ngilayo ban pek ya gitu ki terms of reference kibala kedeu hak tu ka notification juga sarkar mo ti ni das ngau hun sisa ya gitu bat ka ke ba ni don ban ong lani ka jing tho ka bangi ai se government mentah ti hadin ngilayo ban puli ya gitu ka notification te ngila ya penbek pok forum bat ngila rai ban ai ya kata ka city jungi ka representation jungi nengkong chief minister badan borom jungi Jylla jungi kondat kesang ma badang ta haiba seng balang dahar deputy chief minister iba deru i Sherman jong regional committee gajing de ka West Jhenda Hills district nang ta deputy commissioner jong West Jhenda Hills district balong ru i member bat kam convener jong ani regional committee te hakan ni sthi jungi ni penjerong shu ni ong baik ke subject request for comprehensive inspection and throughout preparation of the regional committee report concerning of block 1 and block 2 tang kata kamut ni gentu bat nginawai ke sarkar ba kini regional committee kidebek ban butik katkum kitu ki terms of reference bala tho ha katuka ke notification namar balai omde ba ni beina ni kenno mo ya kini ginong yalam bijungi barkam tami Sherman jongga regional committee jongga MDE1 te ha kan ni MDE1 bala dep te khamtam ko Sherman jong journal committee kimpat lek re shadu stage sport area pi kimlek shadu stage sport block 1 jengite di Shillong badan sport block 1 tengaru ngayo ban ya donlang hakata regional committee kabalong license tinggi isu ya keren baik tang po juai hadisi office conference hall te tharai ngia donbok himo namar bahaka MDE1 te gi claim yo ban submit ya ketuga report ki claim yo ban submit bat ka ke por sewe ke por te ka samo jog MDE1 kala kunno mentas lawan parts ke MDE2 te lengbag experience ke bangila lab haka te ke MDE1 te gi kentu ban gi kerpar ya ke sarkar ka khamtami Sherman jong regional committee bagi de ban simkhia ban lek kumba ong hakatu ka term of reference visited to each and every villages badru ban lek pek ban lek jengo cha ive isinong ebadon hapo block 1 lani hakitu dispute area ban nang taru ban ya kren mark mat ban kitu kipai dong sinong ke badon hangtu nang ta ban lung ban lang kita gicing tip ke badon kamparo na dong sinong tiada kalian jungi hi nyim don e ban ong hindrangi kerpar bagi kentu ya ka sarkar ba ke sarkar ke debek dan butik katkum ki anji kendal ni kita ki terms of reference bala kedau hak tu notification tiada kalian jungi ku forum ru ko mangala tho hak ne ba na kalian jungi ni kloi ban ai kata ketiga diang ni kata jungi trelang mo bat ke sarkar khnang bagani ka kam kan long ke bejok bat kan long ka yai be irti bat ru ni kermen ba daga jungi trelang jungi baro kum ki he snong kum ki daloi ki khorsing balang ba pher ba titei ki jaka ki puta ki bade ki jungi kin wan phai biang hi sipo Jylla jungi kum ba julong du handai thai kulong kuma nak menta ka bit ke biang nak menta ka jingsuk jing sngai jong ki pa nyong snong jungi
Bat dak tu ki Khubor ngila poi shi ka bakut tak hadu bing ne shambiang kublai shibon